To download and install the Binance app on your mobile device, start by opening the App Store on your phone. For iOS devices, this is the App Store, while for Android devices, it is the Google Play Store. Once you have opened the App Store, type Binance into the search bar and select the Binance app from the search results. Make sure to choose the official Binance app to avoid any potential scams or fake apps. After selecting the app, click the Install button to begin the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the app has finished downloading, click the Open button to launch the app. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in to an existing one. If you are new to Binance, click the Register button and follow the prompts to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your email address and password. And you may also need to complete a verification process to comply with Know Your Customer regulations. After you have created your account, you can log in and begin using the app. The Binance app allows you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. And it also provides access to other features such as price charts and market data. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. You should also be careful when using public Wi-Fi networks and avoid sharing your account information with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Binance app on your mobile device and start trading cryptocurrencies today. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when using the app to protect your account and your investments.